Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to bulk verify and validate a list of emails. It works really well. It checks a number of different factors to ensure that the email is valid. Very high accuracy rate, and it's all in Google Sheets to make it even easier. So basically, let's get right into it. The first thing you're going to need to do is install our add-on Sleuth. Basically, you can install this from Google Workspace Marketplace. I'm going to leave the link to this in the description. Alternatively, if you want to do it directly from Google Sheets, just open up a sheet, go to extensions, add-ons, get add-ons, and then this is going to open up the marketplace, and you're just going to search up send Sleuth, and there it is. You can just click on it and install it. So once you have it installed, just open up a Google Sheet, go to extensions, and then go down to send Sleuth and click start. Now once you started it up, it should show the sidebar on the right. Basically, we can just follow the steps here. The steps have been provided to make it as easy as possible. So first we need to set up the sheet. This is done by just clicking the insert template, and as you can see, it inserts the required template. Then we need to add the data, so we just add all our emails in this column. So I'm just gonna do some example emails. Oops, that's not a valid email. And we'll do my email. So these are all going to be valid emails, and then just for demonstration purposes, I'll just do one that we know is obviously not a valid email. And so let's see it in action. Basically, now that we've done this, we're ready to go, so we can just run the validator. That's literally all we need to do. So I can just click validate emails. It's going to show a progress bar here. Currently checking emails, already done, very quick, and as you can see, as expected, valid, invalid. So that's it, guys. That's how easy it is to bulk verify and validate your emails. Really fast, really simple. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.